What's up, guys? So KFC has finally expanded their collaboration with Beyond Meat by launching Beyond Fried Chicken nationwide today. Yes, you heard right. Beyond Fried Chicken is now available in over 4,000 KFC locations nationwide, but it's only for a limited time. So you know we had to be first in line to test it out and give you our honest review to let you know if it's worth your time. My wife Chris just ordered ours from Uber Eats and it should be here any minute now. Now in this video, we're not only gonna share what we think of Beyond Fried Chicken, but we'll share what else is plant-based from KFC, the nutrition facts and ingredients, the cost. Then in our taste test portion, we'll cover how Beyond Fried Chicken compares to other vegan chicken on the market. And of course, we'll share how it compares to other versions of Beyond Fried Chicken that we've tried before. Now, because our vegan family of 8 has been first in line to try every version of Beyond Chicken since the company's infancy.
Crazy to think that our Beyond Meat journey started back in 2017 when we first featured their chicken on our channel. Like many others, our family was crushed when they pulled their chicken from the shelves, but being able to bear witness to their commitment to improving their product over the past 4 years has been inspiring. I always say never dismiss a vegan product if you don't like it at first. Communicate with brands on social media, support their launches, give honest feedback about what changes you'd like to see. Beyond Meat is proof that they are always paying attention and that your voice matters. As our family has grown, we've continued to be a group of honest, opinionated voices within the plant-based community. Thank you to our infinite family for paying attention too.
And every version of Beyond Fried Chicken at KFC since it first launched over 2 years ago right here in ATL, we'll be able to tell you guys, did they make a better version or did they get it right a few versions ago, and should they return to their older recipe? In this vegan world, you'll be surprised how often that ends up happening. Now, whether you're just starting out on your plant-based journey or you're just a little curious about plant-based meat substitutes, hit that subscribe button if you want more content about food that will actually keep you excited about being plant-based. That's what we do over here all day, every day. Every day. So y'all ready to get into this video? Hi, how's it going? Thank you so much. Good, because we just got plant-based fried chicken delivered from KFC.
What?
What? What? Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, whenever you come across articles and videos about this launch, you'll hear people reference the now infamous sold-out test launch that KFC had in ATL 2 years ago, back in 2019.
They sold out in like 5 hours.
5 hours, like it was crazy. Of course we were first in line.
First in line. That's what we
But
did.
it was gone and people were heated.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. If you're here for the drive, you just go straight to the left, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Trying to get a thumbnail for you guys right now.
Teleport.
Teleport the whole family. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Got the full spread. Let's go. The plate looks like for one of the kids. All right, guys, and this is what the inside looks like. As you can see. Okay, Beyond. All right.
Now, a few months after that, they had a second launch in Nashville and in North Carolina. You know we had to hit that up.
It's Nashville. City, y'all.
Nashville City. Look at this
Nashville,
city.
y'all.
Oh, guys, look, it's there.
There's the KFC. It's on the windows and the walls. Beyond Fried Chicken, guys.
Hello, thank you for choosing KFC. Would you like to try a 6-piece plant-based combo today?
Yes, I would, but I just need the 6-piece by itself.
So we are here. I'm gonna try it out for you guys.
For the culture.
Gotta do it for the culture, baby.
Alright, so that's a close-up of it. It smells pretty much like KFC.
Pretty much the same as the last time, and it does smell like KFC.
And we brought our own sides from home, as you guys can see over here.
First, what I want to do is I want to break it open and see if it does that pull. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Looks like actual chicken breast.
Wow, that.
Actually looks like
Crazy.
chicken.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
For the culture.
For the golden jar.
Better than last time?
10 times better than that.
10 times better, wow.
By far, the best vegan chicken on the market.
What? You might have even heard when Beyond dropped their chicken tenders at select restaurants. Or maybe even when they launched in local grocery stores nationwide. And we got videos on that too, because we was there too. We was in the cut. That's a scary sight. This is what it looks like when it comes out. Very similar to the restaurant launch.
I'd like to show you guys the meatiness of it.
Of course. Now it doesn't have that pull that it had in the KFC launch, but you know what? That's fine, baby. Man, like I'm sorry, but that thing was smelling good. It was looking good. I can't wait to dig it.
Waffles are 9-year-old.
And guys, you can find all of these recipes in our cookbook. If you don't got that cookbook, you're slipping, baby.
Slipping.
You're slipping. As I mentioned, Chris ordered ours from Uber Eats and also got their secret recipe fries and their corn. Those are 2 vegan options that are currently available. If you do get the corn on the cob, make sure you get it without butter. Now, unfortunately, at KFC, there is a lot of stuff that is not vegan. For instance, their biscuits. And I want some biscuits to go with these Beyond Fried Chicken. Let's see what that beeping be about. Look what we have here. Ooh. The biscuits at KFC ain't vegan, but these are, baby. Woo. Now you know we had to hit you guys up with the nutrition facts and ingredients. Now guys, they offer you a 6-piece, a 12-piece, and they also come with the 6-piece combo and the 12-piece combo where you get a side and a drink.
Or in our case, a 10-piece combo where...
Yeah. One of the perils of ordering from Uber Eats. We got 10. Alright guys, let's get to the taste test. So, here are the nuggets. And it's very similar to the second launch, I would say. Very hearty, very beefy. Smells amazing.
The whole house smells like KFC.
Yeah.
Because it's cooked in the same... Sorry, I'm eating biscuit. It's cooked in the same oil as the regular KFC chicken.
Yeah, so it's not quote unquote vegan friendly if you don't want the same oil as they cook regular chicken in. But if you don't care about that kind of stuff, feel free to go ahead and check it out. I mean, you don't need our approval, but I'm just saying. Just keep in mind that they do cook it in the same oil as the regular chicken, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the break test. I wanna see if it's any different. The last time that we got it, there we go. Let's see. Yeah, it actually looks like it did on the second launch when they did it in North Carolina and Nashville. Just like that, you can see it. It kind of looks like chicken breast.
They said they worked on a special technology to make it feel like real chicken muscle.
You know what? It kind of looks like oyster mushrooms
Yeah.
on the inside. That's what it kind of looks like.
But yeah, it's very close looking to chicken. It's very different looking from the ones that sell in the grocery stores. Definitely. So all right, so we're gonna try it out now. All right. Beyond knows how to make some fried chicken, man. This is great. This is delicious. Like the texture of the actual nugget is very chickeny. The flavor is there. It's amazing. The breading is great. Like
Would you say the breading tastes exactly like what you remember KFC breading to taste like?
Yes, it tastes like the original flavor. So yes, absolutely. Like this is off the chain. I'm telling you.
What about the inside?
The inside is, like I said, it's very chickeny. The texture is nice and juicy and gristly and all the things that you come to know what chicken feels like when you taste it or when you eat it. You're getting that from this nugget, most definitely. You could probably give this to a meat eater and they wouldn't know the difference. I think so. Second bite.
Okay, if you had to pick between this one and the Beyond Tenders, which you know we love.
They are two different. The ones I would say, probably the chicken tenders. They're a little less oily and they're longer. It's flavorful. It's just as tasty. It's not cooked in chicken oil, right? So yeah, I'd rather the store-bought version, but this one right here is amazing, guys. You have to try it out. It is delicious. It gives me all the trappings of KFC that I remember and that I miss. We used to love us some KFC back in the day.
Yeah.
This is bringing back memories, guys, but it is delicious. I'm telling you, I give it a 10 out of 10, definitely.
Okay.
It's amazing.
Try it in the biscuit.
So now I got it in my biscuit, y'all. I did take a bite of the biscuit. Got it in my biscuit. Let me see.
Put that on the menu.
Yes. Yes. I will say this though, it doesn't quite break like chicken, so that is something that to keep in mind. But all the flavor is there, man. All the flavor is there. The taste is there. Definitely Beyond is at the top of the list when it comes to these chicken tenders and these chicken nuggets. They are killing the game right now.
All right, so on the screen we're gonna put what we think are the top 5? Let's do 5.
Let's do 5.
Yeah.
Let's do 5. The top 5 fried chicken products on the market right now. So definitely check out these products. We also have videos on these products if you want some reviews, just to give you a better informed decision before you go ahead and spend your money.
Last question. Because they're neck and neck. It's like Coke and Pepsi.
Right.
Jay-Z and Nas.
Right.
Which chicken nugget is better, Impossible or Beyond?
Hands down Beyond.
Yikes.
Hands down Beyond. Beyond makes a way better chicken nugget than Impossible does. Impossible has to work on their flavoring, man. If you go watch our video where we taste tested the restaurant version of the Impossible Nugget and the store-bought version of the Impossible Nugget, both of them had the same issue. They tasted good, but they lacked flavor, a distinct flavor to set them apart from all the other nuggets on the market. And Beyond has no issues doing that whatsoever. They hold it down in their own right. It's full of flavor. And then when they have it in the restaurants like KFC, it's like eating KFC. So definitely Beyond, hands down, they have the better nugget, no question. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you share this video with someone that you want to try Beyond Fried Chicken with. And we have a ton of great content coming up this year. So hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, baby. And we'll see you in the next one.